Santa Maria, Roll Maroc 203 position.
Maroc 203, Santa Maria, go ahead.
Maroc 203, position LUTAC, flight level at 1932, flight level 430. We estimate Suval 1950, Ivalu next.
Maroc 203, LUTAC 1932, 430, Suval 1950, and Ivalu will be the next position. Contact now, Lisboa control, frequency 131.325, and have a nice day.
31325, Roll Maroc 203, bye-bye.
Bye. 60.
Lisboa, Bota, this is Roll Maroc 203 Heavy, flight level 430.
Well, Maroc 203 Lisboa, good afternoon. Reset squawk 3320.
3320 on the squawk, Roll Maroc 203. Bye-bye, Maroc 203.
Fine, مسكرة
Home. كذا مساء الخير يا Maroc 203 Heavy, flight level 430.
Maroc 203, عليكم السلام. ريد كونتاكت مسافة فلاطة في 430 بيسيد إبالو.
Flight level 430 to Ibalu, Air Maroc 203. Est-ce que tu veux quelque chose? Ibalu direct, tu veux que je te fasse EBIM?
Oui.
EBIM?
Comme ça je vais avoir le
Ready?
truc. Merci, oui, execute.
Monarch 439 Yankee, contact is 125.55, good day.
25, just for 55, Monarch 439 Yankee.
35 left, the runway 35 right. AV15 ground for rendezvous. Say again, please. 09 knots. Clean on K temperature, 23. Dew point, 19er. QNH, 1014. Caution, bird in vicinity of aerodrome. No significant change acknowledged information, Lima. This is Mohammed International Airport.
C'est Lima?
Oui, c'est Lima. Voilà, j'ai tout.
Ok, merci. J'ai tout bien ici, merci. We have a birdhouse in Casablanca, Mohammed V Airport. In case we have a bird ingestion, we do continue the approach and land.
Okay.
Briefing completed and descent checklist.
Okay. Descent checklist. Recall is checked. Notes. Checked, no notes. Auto brake. 2. Landing data VRF and minimum.
Bearer 3131, minimum bar rate 70.
Okay, VRF flaps 3131, minima baro 870 checked. Approach briefing is complete. Descent checklist is complete.
Thank you.
03, descend, maintain flight level 130.
We descend flight level 130, Royal Maroc 203.
130.
Checked.
Speed intervention, thrust, VNAV speed.
Checked.
Royal Maroc 203,
203, go ahead.
c'est Madame Bernossi.
Oui, monsieur.
C'est bien Madame Bernossi, non?
Absolument.
Bon, félicitations pour avoir une Dream 788 pour un pareil centre, et félicitations.
Merci beaucoup, Sidi. Bonjour à toute l'équipe.
Merci à vous.
C'est gentil.
Ouais, c'est cool.
Air Nostrum 8696, Casablanca.
Go ahead, trainer to make 1998.
Air Nostrum 8698, proceed Isoro.
Proceed to Istanbul, trainer to 8698.
Gaza Air Maroc 203 Heavy, approaching flight level 130.
Continue with the approach on 119, just 19, nice salam.
1099, au revoir Air Maroc 203. Gaza مساء الخير Air Maroc 203 Heavy, descending flight level 130, we have Lima.
Mark 203, عليكم السلام. Mike enforce descend flight level 60, 20 kilo, LS35, left high speed up.
Copy, down flight level 60, proceed Sierra Lima Kilo, runway 35 left, we're gonna check Mike, Maroc 203.
Flight level 60.
Yeah.
Mark 203, descend 3,600 feet, QNH 1015, clear for the approach, Alice 35 left, report established, number 1.
Now 3,600 feet, 1015, cleared for the approach, ILS 35 left, call you back 1 established, so Maroc 203 heavy.
3,600 feet, 1015, my top at
Assalamu alaikum,
7,500.
7 Hotel Charlie. We have information, Lima passing flight level 180, descending flight level 130.
Stop.
Go check.
Beauty 7 Hotel Charlie, good evening sir, descend maintain flight level 80, proceed Sierra Alpha Kilo, expect Victor Dallas for runway 35 left.
We descend flight level 80, inbound to Sierra Alpha Kilo, vectoring ILS to correction 35 left, Beauty 7 Hotel Charlie.
Select flaps 1.
1. Speed alt.
Checked. Right, left. Check.
Final course?
Yes, please.
Got it?
Execute. Thank you. And select flaps 5.
5.
Couple of tower cumuluses that we see over there, and they are starting to shine from time to time. We will assess it when we will get closer.
On Nippon 109, roger, climb flight level 320.
Climbing right elevator 320 on Nippon 109, thank you.
Sure.
We will maybe pass between them if we have our 10 miles clearance.
Air Canada 874, when able, proceed direct to Mails and advise.
Okay, direct Mills, when able, Air Canada 874.
And you should prepare the case where the ATC clears you for runway 06 left due to weather. No, just so you know.
On Nippon 109, contact Montreal Center 135.
There's a possibility.
Montreal Center 135, decimal 6 on Nippon 109.
Sure. Air Maroc 208, contact Montreal Center 13235.
3235, Maroc 208, thank you, bye-bye.
Sure.
Montreal Air Canada 874, going direct Mills.
Sure.
Montreal, bonsoir, Maroc 208 heavy, descending level 290.
Hello, Maroc 208 heavy, Montreal, good evening, landing 24 right, this is Papa. Descent to 16,000, altimeter 296.
We descend 16,000, altimeter is 2995, Maroc 208.
Maroc 208 heavy, roger, proceed to Okopo on course.
We proceed Okopo from position, Maroc 208.
We are just enjoying the view with all this weather, the sea breeze.
Bonjour, c'est 5 points avec vous.
It's nice, huh?
8000 pieds en montée pour 13.
Can you see lightnings over there?
Okay, 5
Yes, here to the right too, we have lightning. There and there. Bad weather today in Montreal.
Hold.
Checked.